welcome to Holly Dolly World. Today we're making slime. Holly, what color of slime are we making?
Orange.
That's right, look at this ooey gooey orange slime. Ooh, do you want to open this? Let's open the slime.
Read it.
Ooh, okay, can I read that?
Sure.
Ooey gooey slime.
Open
Ooh, wee, what color is that, Holly?
orange.
Okay, we'll open the orange slime. We'll cut this open, and we're just gonna cut it lightly, just a little bit here. We'll cut a little hole in the corner here. Okay, Holly, do you want to sprinkle that into the water? Ooh, so pretty. Ooh, okay, that's good. Let's look at that now. Mix it up. Ooh, it even smells. It smells like orange.
More in it.
Do we need more in it, do you think?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh. Okay, let's see. Okay, hold on. Stir it up with your hands. Ooh-wee, gooey. See? Ooh-wee, look at this. Woo! That is gooey. Whoa!
Are you wiping it?
You want to wipe? Okay. Look at this goo. Holly's gonna mix it with her spatula.
No, I
Mix it up.
I mix it. Mix up. Mix up.
So-
8.
Yes, it's like eggs. You're mixing it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up.
Gooey.
Ooh, it's nice and gooey. Ooey gooey good.
Yeah.
That's crazy how gooey that is.
Gooey.
Woo, gooey. Do you like slime, Holly?
Yeah.
Is your cousin like a slime expert?
No.
Leah?
Yeah.
Leah has fun with slime, doesn't she?
See that?
Yes.
See that?
Woo, look at that.
Look, Holly, look at it, right? Oh, wait, I'm gonna
Don't bring it up.
More food.
Can I try adding some activator to it?
What's activator?
Borax activator?
Oh,
See
yeah.
if it actually turns into slime.
Okay, so we're gonna try an experiment. It's right there.
Gooey.
Ooey gooey good. Okay, hold on, don't.
I'm doing here.
Now we're gonna try to add activator to see what it does. Slime activator to see if we can really make slime.
Need more. Need more. Eight. Wait.
This one is done. It's completely not as slimy as this before.
Ooey. Okay, Holly's gonna put her feet in the slime.
2 feet.
Okay, 2 feet. Let's go. Here she goes. 1 foot in the slime. Holly,
Super sticky.
is it super sticky? Do you want to put the other foot in? No? Whoa, slimy. Activator.
Need more.
We got a big slime pot going on